Figma just flipped the design world on its head at Config 2025. From building websites inside Figma to AI-generated prototypes, illustration tools, and a full marketing suite, this is the biggest update in Figma history. Let's start with the biggest drop. Figma sites. You can now design and publish real websites directly from Figma. No code, no exporting to Framer or Webflow. Responsive layouts, animation settings, and even themes that make your site look professional without leaving the canvas. Available now for all users. CMS support is coming later in 2025. Yes, a full CMS is coming to Figma sites. Soon you'll be able to plug in real content, build blogs, and dynamic pages, just like Notion or Webflow, expected by the end of 25. Next up, Figma Make, powered by Claude 3.7. Just describe what you want and it builds your UI for you. Not just frames, Figma Make connects screens, adds components, and helps you explore ideas way faster. In beta now, rolling out gradually. Illustrators, you're going to love this. Figma Draw brings freehand drawing, vector brushes, stroke styles, and textures right into your design workflow. You don't need to leave Figma for Illustrator or Procreate anymore. Available now. Now this one's for content and marketing teams. Figma Buzz helps you create social posts, email banners, and ad graphics with on-brand design and AI-generated copy. Type the idea, Buzz generates the visuals, and it all stays in your brand style. Seriously powerful. Available now. And yes, I'm making a full deep dive video on Buzz, how it works, what you can create with it, and how to make it part of your workflow. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Also quietly released Grid 2.0, a big upgrade to how layouts work in Figma. Smarter alignment, better responsiveness, and new snapping tools. Available now. Here's what you can use right now. Figma Sites, Figma Draw, Figma Buzz, Grid, Figma Make, and what's coming soon, CMS and CMS for Figma Sites. Figma just became more than a design tool. It's now your website builder, your marketing studio, your AI assistant, and yes, your canvas for illustration too. If you're as excited as I am, hit subscribe. I'll be diving into each of these new tools in upcoming videos, starting with Figma Buzz. Comment below, what are you most hyped about?